Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the tracks you want to link in Logic Pro X. Pick them in the Mixer or Tracks area using Shift or Command-click. Once selected, open the Channel Strip Inspector and click a group slot to assign an empty group number. Make sure you name the group and enable membership for each channel. This first action ties channels together so subsequent changes apply uniformly. It saves time and preserves mix balance while keeping each track editable if you need finer adjustments. Once the group exists, you configure its controls to match your workflow goals. You choose which behaviors to link, volume, pan, mute, solo, and even automation write/read, and decide whether plugin parameter edits propagate. Make sure to set active or passive modes depending on if you want immediate linkage or conditional behavior. If you need tracks to follow VI or MIDI changes, enable MIDI grouping. These settings let you maintain collective control while preserving individual track nuance when required. Now apply the group during playback. Move the group volume, mute or solo, and write automation to confirm linked behavior. If you need an isolated change, disable the group, perform the edit, then re-enable it to keep the overall mix intact. Make sure to refine permissions so edits only affect intended parameters. If things go wrong, check that tracks are still assigned to the same group, confirm automation modes match, and look for plugin latency or incompatible track stack settings. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.